and gentlemen, to deliver the welcome address. It is my pleasure to invite Mr. R. Sarveswaran, Honorary Secretary of Malaysian Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Penang, to come forward. Thank you.
Good evening to all of you. Tuan Yang Terutama, Tun Dato Sri Utama, Dr. Haji Habibur Rahman bin Haji Habas, Yang di-Pertuan Negeri Pulau Pinang, Yang Amat Berbahaya Puan Dato Sri Utama, Haja Majbur binti Syarif, Yang Amat Berhormat Tan Sri Dato.
Welcome to Little India. Deepavali is the most grandly celebrated festival in Malaysia, and particularly Malaysian Indian. It is a day of unity where families and friends get together. The significance of Deepavali is the triumph of good over evil. It is celebrated to remember the day of Sri Lord Krishna. As an evil was destroyed, the time came for a festival and celebration. Since then, it has been a practice to continue celebrating this auspicious day as the day of light, as the day of goodness, as the day of joyful with friends and relatives. This part of our city is known as Little India. Since many decades, this area has housed many businesses that are owned by businessmen of Indian origin, and many businesses have been passed down from generation to generation. However, this part of city has been predominantly Indian area, and we are all very proud of the heritage we have. The Chamber studied the feasibilities of celebrating the Deepavali festival or the Festival of Light in Little India area with cultural nights during these days in an effort to promote Little India. The first event named as Pesta India was held in 1989 with the cooperation and the sponsorship of the Penang State Tourism Committee. In the year of 1990, in conjunction with Visit Malaysia Year, the name of Pesta India were reworded as a Deepavali Open House, and the first ever Deepavali Open House was organized in Little India with cooperation and sponsorship of Penang State Tourism Committee. Ever since the above celebration is ongoing in Little India, we are indeed thankful to the state government for having this festivity in the Little India area and for sponsoring this event. This is the 18th year we are celebrating this unique concept of Deepavali Open House here in Little India, bringing together the locals and our foreign tourists with our state leaders. We are indeed grateful to the state government for supporting us all these years to mark the festivity celebration in Little India. With great feelings of joy and appreciation on this Deepavali cultural night to welcome our wonderful tourists with open arms. Our heart goes to one and all who are here in Penang, Little India, to celebrate this joyful occasion. Penang has a vast potential for achieving a good blend and balance for modernization with advanced information technology and tradition. We are fortunate to have inherited all great civilization, religions and traditions of the world, particularly from Far East Asia. Little India can be focus of the growth with its rich cultural heritage and living culture. We are very grateful to the Penang State Government, which under the Ministry of Tourism had undertaken upgrading works to enhance the beauty of Little India area. On behalf of the traders in Little India area, we convey our heartfelt felicitation to both the federal and state government on their utmost effort in developing and beautifying Little India.
A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.